Water is our life. Water is a gift from Mother Nature. We get water from rain, rivers, streams, tanks, wells, fountains, and taps. Water is useful. All living beings and plants need water to survive. People require water for different purposes. We can live a few days without food, but we can't live without water. We need water for our daily activities like bathing, cooking, and washing. In addition, water is a must for agricultural purposes. We don't get any food if there is no water. We need to protect our water resources as water is our life. Water is the lifeblood of the earth. It's very useful to man. Man and animals can't live without water. The amount of drinkable water in the world is only 1%. Water adds to the beauty of nature as waterfalls and rivers. Water has no color. It is our duty to protect water, so we have to use water very carefully. Do not waste water.